Hello and welcome to the Farmonaut Satellite and Weather API video tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an API account and purchase API credits with ease. To get started, simply visit farmonaut.com/API. If you don't have an account yet, you will see a button that takes you to the login page. Click on it and enter your email and password, then hit the sign in button. It will make an account for you on the Farmonaut Systems. Once the sign-in is complete, it will bring you to the Farmonaut dashboard. Now that you're logged in, return to the API page. To purchase API credits, just click on the Buy API Credits button. This will take you to the Purchase section, where you can choose your country, enter your phone number, select the API credit plan. If you're not sure how many credits you need, use the hectares units estimator at the bottom of the page to make an estimate. And make the payment through Razorpay. That's how easy it is to start using our API. Thank you for watching.